In 1932, the Australian Army declared war on birds, and the birds won. 20,000 emus were destroying crops. The government sent soldiers with machine guns to stop them. They thought it would be easy. Just shoot the birds, right? But emus are fast and smart. The emus used guerrilla tactics. They split into small groups, making them impossible to hit. After weeks of fighting, the army had wasted thousands of bullets and barely killed any emus. The military was forced to retreat. It was the most embarrassing defeat in Australian history. Never underestimate nature, even if it's just a big bird.